Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to bring you a review of the mid-NS7 2.5K dash cam front and rear. This amazing dash camera comes with a 64GB South Dakota card and features 1600P 1080P FHD dual recording for your car. The mid-NS7 dash cam offers a crystal clear 2.5K front video and 1080p rear video with a wide 336 angle dual recording. Not only that, but it also features a 3.2 IPS screen and an aluminum alloy case for excellent heat dissipation. Any of the best features of this dashcam is the loop recording and evidence protection. You don't have to worry about the South Dakota card getting full, as this camera will automatically overwrite the oldest video with the latest one. Plus, the 3-axis G sensor and accident lock will automatically save and lock the video in the event of a collision. With super night vision and 24H parking monitor, your car will be protected at all times. And the best part? Mid-N provides 10 years of free warranty and lifetime professional technical support, making it a super cost-effective choice. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the mid-NS7 2.5K dash cam front and rear today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching.